Today, I'm showing you the one thing that is holding you back from learning English successfully. Hello everybody, welcome to Zenfluent Maria. I am Maria, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to stop making this common mistake when learning English. This will seriously change your life, so let me tell you why it's important not to make the same mistake. Today, I'm gonna talk about something that I feel like people don't talk about enough. I just want to put it out there and maybe encourage a change in your perception or a change in how you study English in the future. I'm talking about learning English just for the sake of passing an exam, passing a job interview, or passing a certain test in English, and for that reason alone. I'm going to give you a real-life comparison so that you can understand me better. Let's say it is January now and you have just booked your dream vacation. You're going to the Maldives in June. Congratulations! Then once you start thinking about your vacation, you realize that you need to lose some weight and look your best during that vacation. So obviously you set yourself a goal to start eating healthy and go to the gym, let's say 3 times a week until you go to the Maldives. So what happens here is you invest your time, energy, and money to eat healthy, exercise, and look your best this summer. You are successful in that goal. You lose weight and you're now satisfied how your body looks. But once that vacation comes, you immediately go back to your old habits and forget about healthy food and exercise. Can you guess what happens next? You just wasted a lot of time and effort to look your best for a 10-day vacation. Don't get me wrong, some people are really happy with that, and that is okay. You need to ask yourself, what do I really want? Do I want to look good for 10 days only, or to feel and look good always? Now, in the language world, it is the same. You get a lot of English lessons. You really dedicate your time and energy and tons of money. You learn some amazing tricks. You then go to the exam or job interview or English test and you pass it. You even get a great score or you get the job. Wonderful. Can you use any of it now? Do you remember any of it? Can you use English in your workplace after passing that interview? Can you use practical English when you travel? Can you easily read a book in English or access a website in English and understand it? Does this sound familiar to you? Have you ever studied English just for the sake of passing a certain test? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now listen to me very carefully. Short-term goals, exams, and tests are here to verify your knowledge. But they're most certainly not the end product. They can get you some nice results, but you will definitely not develop your language skills because of your score. Learning English just for the sake of passing a test or accomplishing a certain goal will give you temporary satisfaction and enjoyment, but once you stop the practice, or even worse, once you realize that your continuous practice does not give results outside of that isolated test or exam or interview, you will begin to feel frustrated. This is the moment when you may say, I'll never be good at English. Look at all those money I've spent. I can't even remember a single word, and so on and so on. So how can you stop making this mistake? Now, here's the thing I want you to know. What you need to do is Find your real passion and always go into that direction. If you don't want to struggle with quick, short-term results anymore, you need to develop passion for learning English. And when I say finding the passion, the reason, the purpose, whatever you want to call it, I refer to the goal that drives you on the long run. Passion means what is it that attracts your interest in that language? What is your connection to that interest? What is that spark that connects you with a certain language? I want you to answer these questions if you want to be successful in English on the long run. Of course, you can still fulfill your short-term goal for passing a test or a job interview, but having purpose and interest will give you the energy to continue developing your language skills. What is your passion for learning English? Tell me in the comments below. Also, if you want me to make an entire step-by-step video on how you can discover your true passion for learning a language, let me know in the comments below as well. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me thumbs up to support me. I wish you a wonderful day, stay zen, and I will see you in the next one.